So today we're here at the site of the project for the inside runway. We're in full-scale production, running about 83 loads, truckloads of pavement. So right now each truck's running about anywhere from 18 to 20 tons per truck. Let's just say for math's sake, 20 tons per truck at 83 trucks, that's roughly 1,660 tons per day. And if you figure that out over 10 days, you're roughly 16,000 tons of asphalt being laid on this runway. We're putting the pavement down in 2 lifts. We're putting a 2.5-inch lift on the bottom. Once that's completed, we'll come back and put an 1.5-inch lift on top for a total of 4 inches. So we have 12 inches of compacted subgrade. The contractor will come in, rework the natural soils and compacted per specification. Then on top of that, they bring in an engineered base. We have 10 inches of compacted base and then a 4-inch compacted asphalt layer. And that's what our airfield is made up of.